Then we have specification number 3, which asks us to explain two things. In the first part, we will get to know how factors like wind speed, temperature changes, humidity, and light intensity can affect the rate of transpiration. Then in the second part, we'll learn about how the process of wilting happens. So, in this section, we'll simply explore how environmental conditions influence transpiration rates and understand the mechanism behind wilting in plants. So, these are the factors that can affect the rate of transpiration: wind speed, temperature, humidity, and light intensity. So, the first factor is wind speed and how it affects the rate of transpiration. As wind speed increases, the rate of transpiration also increases. Why? Well, wind blows away the water vapor that builds up near the leaf stomata, which lowers the water vapor concentration around the leaf. This creates a stronger concentration gradient between the moist inside of the leaf and the drier surrounding air. And the result, a bigger concentration gradient means water vapor diffuses out faster, so the transpiration rate goes up. Now, the next factor is temperature and its effect on transpiration. So, as temperature goes up, the rate of transpiration also increases. Here's why: when the temperature is higher, water molecules inside the leaf gain more kinetic energy, so they move faster. This makes it easier and more likely for them to diffuse out through the stomata. Plus, higher temperatures can even cause the stomata to open wider, allowing more gas exchange, and that means more water vapor escapes, increasing the transpiration rate. Now, let's look at humidity and how it affects transpiration. As humidity increases, the rate of transpiration goes down. That's because when the air is already full of water vapor, there's less difference in concentration between the inside of the leaf and the outside air. This smaller concentration gradient slows down the movement of water vapor out of the leaf. On the other hand, when humidity is low, the concentration difference is bigger, so water vapor escapes faster, which means the transpiration rate goes up. Finally, let's talk about light intensity and how it affects transpiration. The relationship here is that as light intensity increases, the rate of transpiration also goes up. This happens because brighter light boosts photosynthesis, which makes the stomata open wider to allow more gas exchange. When the stomata open more, water vapor can escape more easily, so transpiration increases. So basically, higher light intensity means more open stomata and a faster rate of transpiration.